There is one amazing leather that goes year round, and that's this natural python. This is going to be just as good in the summer as it is in the winter, and this is an Italian python embossed leather, so it's really beautifully done. The coloring is much more subtle and rich. The hand is soft, has a great texture to it. I love this because I tend to, as you know, wear a lot of black, right? So then I need a bag that kind of breaks it up, but I don't want something that's going to be overwhelming. This is perfect. I love this tote. It has a lot of room. If you want to load up, oh my gosh, does this have a lot of room? It goes really easily over your shoulder, and you have some adjustability there as well. It's that longer north-south tote. It's trimmed in this beautiful black leather. And here's what's easy about it is that here's how it closes, right? So the front just folds over, and these tassels add a little bit of weight, so it just holds it closed. When you want to open it, you just throw the tassels over and you're in. Super easy. You have a zipper pocket. You got two slip pockets on the other side. When you're ready to close it again, the tassels just go over. This folds down. You're not unbuckling, unfastening, undoing, unhooking, right? Unzipping, all those things that take forever, so then you just don't use the bag because, oh, I can't get anything out of it, right? This is the perfect bag. It's super sleek and it's so rich. This python, I gotta tell you, that python rocks. It is one of the most beautiful, rich, gorgeous, nuanced, natural python skins I have ever seen when it comes to leather embossing. And one of the things to look for when you're looking at a python is it a simple kind of two-color contrast, or does it have all the shades in between, right? All the shades in between. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. This is the good stuff. If you go to a store that intimidates you because their handbags are a mortgage payment, that's the kind of python that this is. It's amazing. So if you're a girl who loves a really good bag, if you're a girl who says, you know what, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna save because I want a great quality, I want something that's gonna wear beautifully, I want something that's gonna get better with time, I want something that's more than a trend, I want something that's rich and beautiful and just, whew, makes my outfit, this python bag is exactly what you've been looking for, but you're not gonna have to save nearly as long. It's a beautiful bag. I cannot wait for you to get it. And if you really wanna get someone a gift that's out of this world, I know they'll love it too.